Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a space that combines functionality, elegance, and timeless design? In this video, we'll walk you through 20 stunning bathroom cabinet designs that cover everything from minimalist modern to cozy rustic and spa-like organic styles. Whether you're remodeling your home or seeking inspiration for your next project, these ideas will help you make smarter, more beautiful design decisions. Stick around because each layout is carefully analyzed for strengths, weaknesses, material choices, storage options, and overall aesthetic appeal so you get real, practical value. Let's dive into the best bathroom cabinet ideas of the year. This bathroom cabinet design embraces modern minimalism with floating cabinetry and a warm beige color scheme. The clean lines, matte wood veneer, and terrazzo countertops add depth and richness. LED lighting under the mirror and cabinets improves ambience and usability. While the closed storage keeps things tidy, the lack of open shelving may limit quick access. It's a sleek and serene layout ideal for those who prefer understated elegance. Blending traditional charm with modern function, this transitional cabinet design uses tall units and corner storage to maximize space. Painted soft gray wood and glass panel doors elevate its refined look. Open shelving offers convenience, while built-in lighting adds sophistication. However, in smaller bathrooms, this layout might feel bulky. Still, it remains a practical and visually appealing option for organized living. This design goes bold with an industrial vibe. Think exposed piping, concrete countertops, and matte black hardware. It's perfect for lovers of raw aesthetics. The dual sinks and symmetrical structure provide balance, while open ladder shelving adds both form and function. Its main limitation is the lack of hidden storage. But if you're after edgy, modern character, this design delivers in full. A harmonious blend of open and closed storage defines the spa-inspired layout. Beige tones and natural wood pair with terrazzo countertops and cane-webbed cabinet doors, bringing calm and texture. The setup allows for both display and concealment, but cane materials may degrade in humid conditions. Overall, it's a peaceful, well-organized space that soothes the senses. This design uses warm wood tones, woven textures, and minimalist lines to create a balanced, functional bathroom. Integrated lighting highlights open shelves, while concealed storage ensures tidiness. While rattan panels provide texture, they might limit sound insulation. It's a perfect pick for those wanting a serene space that doesn't compromise on visual interest. Light and airy, this cabinet sits next to a bathtub with soft neutral colors and large windows enhancing the open feel. Clean lines, brass hardware, and wood accents lend elegance and warmth. A white countertop adds durability and contrast. Limited closed storage may reduce functionality, but the overall aesthetic is refreshingly open and inviting. A natural, spa-like vibe defines this twin sink setup. Open shelving with woven baskets, wood finishes, and greenery creates a grounded, cozy mood. While storage is easily accessible, it may require regular upkeep to avoid clutter. For anyone craving organic calm in their bathroom, this design brings nature indoors with style. Minimalism and symmetry rule this floating vanity, enhanced by wood finishes and soft lighting. The vertical slatted panel adds texture, while integrated shelf lighting deepens the visual appeal. Open shelving makes items accessible, but demands discipline to maintain cleanliness. It's a refined, functional choice for those who love simple elegance. This semicircular cabinet makes a bold, artistic statement. Slatted wood textures, round mirrors, and neutral tones create cohesion and rhythm. Though lacking in visible storage, it's visually stunning. Ceramic basins and stone countertops add durability. Ideal for users who prioritize unique aesthetics over practicality. Moody and elegant, this design combines dark matte walls, wooden vanities, and warm lighting to create boutique hotel vibes. An illuminated oval mirror and white fixtures keep the space crisp and uncluttered. Vertical shelves and lush plants soften the overall effect. It's perfect for anyone who loves dramatic yet cozy interiors. A floating wooden vanity and warm, neutral palette set the tone for this minimalist layout. Open shelves enhance accessibility, while the backlit round mirror introduces ambient light. Although stylish, the lack of closed storage may affect practicality. Still, it offers visual peace and spatial openness, hallmarks of successful minimalist design. Rooted in bohemian charm, this symmetrical vanity uses rattan, ceramic, and wood to craft a handcrafted feel. A round mirror anchors the layout, and woven baskets provide tactile, organic storage. Open basket storage may be prone to dust, but the cozy, earthy ambience is worth it for lovers of natural interiors. Twin basins, neutral wood, and large windows define this minimalist modern space. Open shelving and clean symmetry ensure harmony and functionality. Materials like stone and soft gray tiles enhance tactility and tranquility. While limited closed storage may hinder organization, it's ideal for those seeking elegance through simplicity. Combining rustic and industrial elements, this bathroom design is rich in materiality. Concrete sinks, warm woods, and amber glass pendant lights create an inviting mood. Patterned tiles add subtle decoration. A lack of concealed storage could be a drawback, but the visual character makes this a standout. Symmetry, floating design, and wood finishes make this layout feel light and cohesive. A long countertop offers continuity, while natural lighting enhances the tranquil setting. The absence of upper storage could limit space for essentials, but its clean lines and soothing tones make it ideal for modern, spa-inspired interiors. This layout mixes cane front cabinets and open shelving for a balanced, natural look. Light wood and woven textures evoke comfort and simplicity. While open shelves require regular upkeep, the design promotes peace and visual order. It's especially suitable for calm, organic-style interiors. This layout mixes cane front cabinets and open shelving for a balanced, natural look. Light wood and woven textures evoke comfort and simplicity. While open shelves require regular upkeep, the design promotes peace and visual order. It's especially suitable for calm, organic-style interiors. This layout mixes cane front cabinets and open shelving for a balanced, natural look. Light wood and woven textures evoke comfort and simplicity. While open shelves require regular upkeep, the design promotes peace and visual order. It's especially suitable for calm, organic-style interiors. Dark tones and warm woods make this a strikingly modern cabinet design. Fluted wood, backlit mirrors, and matte finishes convey high-end sophistication. Open and closed storage are well balanced. While dust may show easily on dark surfaces, the luxurious effect is unmatched, ideal for bold, statement-loving homeowners. Industrial simplicity defines this final layout. Metal frames pair with natural wood for a clean, durable aesthetic. Closed drawers offer functionality, while open shelves keep daily items handy. It may lack full dust protection, but its blend of style and utility is perfect for contemporary and urban settings. Each of these 20 bathroom cabinet designs offers a unique perspective on how to combine style and functionality. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of minimalism, the texture of rustic materials, or the charm of bohemian touches, there's a design here to suit every taste and lifestyle. Let your bathroom become more than just a utility space. It can be a sanctuary, a statement, or a serene retreat. If you found inspiration from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design ideas, renovation tips, and style breakdowns. Which cabinet design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.